Hi everyone, thanks for coming to me and Munchkin and watching our how to pack video. It's not so much a how to pack, but it's just a pack with me, get ready with me kind of a thing. We are not minimalists, as you can see by our luggage. We are going to check these two, bring this as a carry-on on the way down, but then probably check it on the way home. And this is my carry-on. My daughter is 16 years old and she will be taking her own backpack as her carry-on. And we're gonna try to, I guess, go as minimalist as possible, but we're also trying to save money. So this big suitcase is actually mostly snacks. And on the way home, it'll be souvenir space. So let's dig in and see what all we packed. After I had this one all packed, I realized, can't get up here, it has a broken wheel. So it must have gotten busted on the cruise when we used it last. Aww. So I'm gonna try to change everything from here to here. So wish me luck. Okay, so here's what all I had in that big suitcase. Lots of snacks. We're trying to save money by not snacking as much in the park. So we're going to bring groceries with us, and then ideally we eat them, and then all the space that this is taking up is stuff that where we can put souvenirs on the way home. So I have some chips, powdered donuts, chocolates, Reese's, M&M's, chips for Angel, Jolly Ranchers, hard candy for me, these Hydrolyte, supposed to hydrate you extra better. Supposed to hydrate you faster than just drinking water alone. Chocolate chip cookies. And here are the pens that we're going to trade. I have a pop-up laundry hamper for in the room. I have a extra bag that I'm bringing along in case we wanted to do some shopping that we knew of. I can bring this into the parks. I can just fold it up really small, put it in my backpack, but then take it out when we start buying stuff. We need a bag to hold everything. Duct tape, because you never know. I am bringing a few masks because who knows if the world's gonna go crazy again and want everybody to mask up and isolate them. So we have some just in case. Epsom salt, so that we can fill up the sink in the hotel and soak our feet at the end of the day. It makes a huge difference. Face masks, so that we can pamper ourselves a little bit. I have a happy birthday banner that I'm gonna put up in our room because this trip is actually for Munchkin's 16th birthday. Ponchos, just in case it rains. Also bringing one umbrella for that purpose. We have makeup remover wipes. We have body freshening wipes. We have Kleenexes. We have hair stuff for me. This is our medicine kit. Uh-oh, I think something's loose. Our medicine kit is in here. This is not our prescription meds. This is like the extra over-the-counter stuff that we might need once we get down there. This packing cube is our Christmas scarves, light-up necklaces, ear warmers, gloves, and socks. And then I'm bringing this backpack for in the parks as my bigger option. It doesn't take up much space, so I'm not that worried about bringing it. In here we have 10 customized t-shirts, or 10 customized shirts that we're wearing throughout the trip, and half of them are in. And in here is some of my toiletries that I just didn't want to put in my other bags. So that's all that is. So let me get this put into the smaller bag. Love is easy lasting, holidays so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting, holidays so easy passing. Didn't see it coming, but we hit the ground running. All right, I got all that in there. I did end up extending it for some of the boxes, but those boxes will not be in there on the way home, so it will actually probably be smaller. Let's see how much it weighs. 37 pounds. We're good to go. this is our second check bag, and it's mostly going to hold clothes and some toiletries. So I believe I forgot to mention how long we're gonna keep it. We drive to Wichita tomorrow, Wednesday. Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, we fly down to Disney. We don't come back until the following Thursday in the evening. So we're there for a full, really 8 days. So that's one reason why we were packing so much stuff. There's also winter-ish weather. This last week has been really cold down there. Like the low has been in the 50s, which is super cold for Florida. Next week, it's supposed to be, the high is in the 80s. So we're packing for 2 seasons. So forgive me for overpacking. Fortunately, Munchkin and me are now like the same size for a lot of stuff. So we can share pants a lot. So to start out, I have 2 camis, 1 pair of white skinny jeans, and I have 6 denim shorts, and that's for both of us. 3, 4 fabric shorts, 2 jammies for both of us, 7 pairs of leggings, 8 if you include this one, and this is another custom shirt that we had made. So my homemade Mickey ears, they match one of the shirts that I made. We have some underwear in here, some time. Oh, and then this is a cashmere scarf that I actually might just take on the plane with me because it is super big and it's so soft, and if we get cold on the plane, we can like cuddle up underneath it and be nice and cozy. Or if not, it's a pretty scarf. So let's get all of this into this bag. Together a lot easier than it did when I was pre-packing. I did leave out my scarf because I'm gonna probably try to stick it in on my carry-on list. Oh, and weight-wise, we should be fine. Because there is more space, so if I needed to, I could move some stuff over to here. It's like, we're at 28 pounds. We've got plenty of wiggle room. Okay, so this is the suitcase that goes inside the plane with us. They all go inside. It's our carry-on that we're gonna stow above us. I have paranoia about losing luggage. Never done it, but probably because I'm so paranoid about it. So this is going to be enough stuff to get us through for a day or 2 if we can use our luggage, and we can make it work. Both of our underwears, 3 pairs of socks. We each have a nice dress because on our first night, I am Surprising Angel with Cirque du Soleil. We went down in Mexico and Angel really loved it. So as a special surprise for her 16th birthday, I told her to pack something nice to wear. She knows we're going to downtown Disney, she just doesn't know what exactly we're doing, other than we're going to a nice place. We each have a nice outfit for that, and honestly, we can just wear sandals, which are in these bags. I just stick sandals in Walmart bags just to keep the dirty soles off of our clothes. And people have used shower caps, but I have tons of Walmart bags, so I'm just using that. So a pair of sandals for her, a pair of sandals for me. We have 1 more set of jammies for both of us. This is 4 shirts that are personalized. This is 2 shirts that are personalized. Then we have 1 pair of leggings, 1 tennis skirt, and 2 pair of jean shorts, makeup remover wipes, body glide to keep our thighs from shaking when we're walking around, and we have some ears that are going with us. These are so cute. We got them at Walmart for $7. So let's get all of this into there. On a lovely holiday. So this one is pretty full. There's a little smush room if we really wanted to, but we shouldn't have to. So let's move on. All right, so this is my personal item, and it does qualify as a personal item, even though it's this huge duffel. It's technically a weekender bag, I believe. It's from BagSmart, and I don't remember which bag it is, but I bought it on Amazon, and I absolutely love this bag. So this is what all's going inside of this, so I'll just go through it as I'm putting it in. We'll do it backwards. So I have my reading glasses go in here in this front pocket. That's also where this Flex Flap Pro goes. I really love this for my phone because you can bend this however you need to make a stand to hold your phone or a tablet. And it's completely flat and very light, but very sturdy at the same time. This is our passport booklet, and I put our boarding passes in there, our IDs, everything we need to get through security at the airplane. That might be all that goes in here. Oh, Excedrin and a thing of Kleenexes. That way it's very easy for me to find, get to, and use. Moving in, we'll go to the back pocket. And this actually opens up like a suitcase. I will put my laptop in here, but it's charging right now and I'm not gonna grab it for this. But my laptop will go in there. I have a book that's going to go in here, as well as a cribbage game that Munch and me like to play. Colored pencils, and a sharpener for them. Ta-da! Our book. Our travel journal that I put together. In the back of it are some coloring pages to keep us entertained on the plane, as well as packing lists, and I put in maps. And this page is gift wrapped. This is Angel's, because this is the page that tells her about Cirque du Soleil, and I want her to see it until we get on the plane. And so that's going to go in here. Mine is. Hers is going to go in her backpack, so I'm actually going to leave this out because this one's hers. Put my water bottle on the side. Or did I have it on? I had it on this side. It's a little bit bigger on this side. This is a filtered water bottle by Brita, and it works out so great in Disney because Florida water tastes horrible. I don't care who you are, however you want to say it, Florida water tastes horrible. I'm going to put our charger cords that are all in this case and our portable charger and some of these pockets to help hold it still. My makeup is going to go. Our prescription medicines are in this little pouch. Lady stuff. It's going to go in this pocket. I have this little book of Post-it notes just in case, because I'm nerdy like that. I have a deck of playing cards going in there. Eye cloth. I love eye cloths because they clean your glasses, your phone, your camera, and it's like alcohol, and so it dries really fast and it's really good. I am going to put my straightener in here, as well as my brush. I have some Clorox wipes. And this is my toiletries bag, the clear bag. It's not full for once, because it is just the stuff that I need to get me through a couple days. I have some candy that's gonna go in here. I have our magic bands from 2015. I really doubt they still work, but if they do, we can still fit them, and so I'm bringing them along. This is actually my version of a purse for this trip, and my wallet's in there, and charging cord is in there, but that's it for right now. And so it's just gonna go in here. And then I have my scarf, which I can actually wear, but I can set it in here for now too. And the only thing left is Angel's present. That's that. And it's not too heavy. I do need to grab the shoulder strap that I confiscated for another one of my bags. And this, one thing I like about this case, it has the trolley sleeve on the back, so it can just slide right over our suitcase that we're bringing onto the plane. So there we go. We're all packed, and approximately 13 hours until we leave for the airport. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed this packing video. I hope you had fun watching me pack, and I hope you are packing for a great trip soon too. See you soon.
No, no, no need to get